Hello everyone. So in the previous video we have discussed about the course Cybersecurity Essential and the outcomes of the course. Also we have discussed about the outcomes of unit 1, which is introduction to cybersecurity. Now let's start with the actual content of unit 1. In this video we will learn two important things: what is cybersecurity and how the internet works, including the terms like IP address and DNS, which are the two most foundational unit of internet. Let's begin with a very basic question: what is cybersecurity? So, cyber means something which is related to internet or digital world, like our computer, mobile phones, and other electronic devices. And security means keeping something safe and secure. So, cybersecurity means protecting our devices, data, and online systems from people who try to misuse it. Okay. So these attacks can come from hackers, viruses, or sometimes even by mistakes, like clicking on any fake link which is sent on our emails, like spam mails. So, why do we need cybersecurity? In today's world, nowadays, everything is online, almost everything, like banking, education, shopping, social media, and healthcare services. This means that if our device are not secure, someone can steal our photos, even our personal memories, or even our money, passwords, anything. That's why cybersecurity is not just important, it is necessary for everyone. Okay, so it affects threats can affect social, medical, and financial services. So that's why cybersecurity is a necessity. So let me give you some daily life examples. In hospitals, cybersecurity helps protect patient records. On Instagram or WhatsApp, like on social media platforms, on social media apps, we use two-step login, like two-factor authentication, to stop other from entering our accounts. Like if someone try to access our account, then it will ask the password. After that, it will send a message to our personal device like mobile phones. After that, after clicking on that message or any digit on our mobile phones, only after that anyone can access our account. So in online payments, our UPI or card detail are encrypted, which means hidden from attackers. So benefits of cybersecurities are like it keeps your identity and data safe. It prevents scam and frauds. It protects devices from viruses, keep your phone and computer free from viruses, okay? And it save your money, time, and peace of mind also. So who needs cybersecurity? First, let us understand this. So the answer is everyone. Everyone who uses the internet is will need cybersecurity. Whether you are a student, a teacher, a bank employee, or a government worker, if you are online, you need cybersecurity for sure. Now we know that we are protecting things online, but how does internet really works? So to understand about the cybersecurity, we need to understand internet first, because these two terms are interrelated. So the internet started a long time ago, around 1969. That time America made the first network called ARPANET, so that computer could share their data. And the first ever message which was sent on the internet was login. It was sent from University of California to Stanford University. So they tried to send the word login, but due to some online issues, system crashed after just two letters, like only LO was sent on the internet. Okay, so the first message in internet history was only LO, but from this LO the entire internet word begins. Like in 1983, TCP/IP protocol started, allowed different computers to talk, and in 1991, Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web, which is WWW. So every device connected to the internet, like your mobile phones, your tablet, your smart TV, or even laptop, are get a unique number. Okay, and this number is called the IP address. IP address is a unique identifier for every interconnected device. Its component, it has two basic parts like network ID and home ID. You can think of it like your digital home address where the internet share and receive the information. So we have different type of IP addresses. We have different type of IP address classes. So class A is for big companies, class B is for medium networks, class C is for small offices or even for small homes, and class D and E are for research and spatial use. Okay, so IP addresses are not just made randomly, they are managed by global group called IANA. And IANA works with the regional groups like APNIC is works for Asia. ARIN works for North America. Okay, now think about this. When you open a website like google.com, do you type a number like 143.250.195.78? Never, no. You type the name because names are easy to remember. DNS means domain name server, domain name system. It is like the phone book of the internet. It convert website names to it connect website names to the IP addresses. So let's see step by step how DNS works. For example, you type www.google.com. Okay. Your device checks if it already knows the IP address or not. If not, it asks your internet provider. If it is not, if it is still not found, it goes to the root server. Then it finds the correct IP and the website opens. Okay, all this happens in just a few seconds and we don't even realize it. So let's quickly revise what we have learned. Till now, we have learned about what cybersecurity means, what is its importance, its benefit in real world. You saw the examples from hospitals, banking, and social media. You learned how the internet started from the first word login, LO, and only LO was sent. Okay, due to some online crash, and you get the information about IP addresses and DNS servers and why they matters. So in the next lecture, we will go deeper into CIA triad, which includes confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So thank you for watching.